Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of BA LLB honors of MIT Law University Gwalior Madhya Pradesh, and in present I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company, and my today's topic is delegated legislation. So I am going to introduce my topic. The Constitution of India empowers legislature to make legal guidelines for a country. One of the big legal legislative capabilities to decide a legislative coverage and its border and the whole of conduct. So now we will come on the meaning of the delegated legislation. Delegated rules, once in a while referred as secondary rules or subordinate rules or subsidiary rules, is a method with the said aid of using which the government authority is given power with the aid of using number of one rules to make legal guidelines so that it will put into the effect and administer the necessity of that number one rule. Such regulations is a regulation made with the aid of using someone or frame aside from the legislature, however, with the legislature authority. Legislation with the aid of using any statutory authority, authority and or nearby or different frame aside from the legislature, however, below the authority of the ready legislature, however known as delegated rules. It is rules made with the aid of using someone or frame aside. Made with the aid of using someone or frame aside from parliament. Parliament thereby through number one rules permits other to make regulations and regulation through um, regulation through the given aspects. So the delegated legislation is the one of the important topics that we are studying here. So we should study it with a very you can say that very much of that interest. The topic is too interested, and the time we should give it a time, because the delegated legislation is a very important part of our legislation, which tells about us about the many more things. So uh, so where I am, sorry friends, I am forgotten. So delegated legislation position below Constitution of India. The Constitution of India offers power to the legislature to delegate its capability to different delegated capability to different delegates its the Constitution of India offers power to legislature to delegate its capability to different government to border the rules to perform the legal guidelines. Legal guidelines made with the aid of using it in the phrase parliament also might also additionally with the aid of using regulation provided in article 312 ought to now no longer be interpreted to intend that there is no scope for delegation. Regulation made below article 312 the England regulation permits the parliament to delegate any quantity of powers with none limitation. On the opposite hand, in America like India, the Congress can delegate just a few of its capabilities that it does not or no longer have limitless or out of control power. Thus, India permits for delegated rules. However, in the described and managed way in the positive restriction, criticism of delegate legislation, delegated rules over other having many benefits in the criticized on many grounds. It is argued that a delegated rule permit government aside from legislation to make and amend legal guidelines, hence ensuing an overlapping of capabilities. It towards the spirit of democracy as an excessive amount of delegated rules is made with the aid of using unelected people. Delegated rules difficultly to make too much such less parliamentary scrutiny than number one rules. Parliament therefore has a loss of manage over delegated rules, and this will result in consistencies in legal guidelines. Delegated rules therefore has a capacity for use in methods which Parliament had now no longer predicted while it conferred to the energy through the Act of Parliament. So we can conclude our topic. In quiet, we are able to finish that the delegated rules in a critical width inside the wake of the upward push with inside the variety of law and technicalities involved. But on the identical time with the upward push in the delegated rules, with the want to manipulate it additionally arises due to the fact with the growth with inside the delegation of energy additionally will increase the danger of the abuse of energy. The judicial manage other than the legislative and the procedural manage is the manner how the delegation of any energy may be managed. Thus, the delegated rules may be puzzled at a ground of significant extremely viruses and on the floor of the constitutionality of the Figure Act and the delegated rules. The latter also can be challenged at the floor of it being unreasonably arbitrary. And thank you, friends. Hope you liked the video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.